Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to take a brief look at a new trade-in, a 2019 Harris Solstice 220. All right, so Solstice 220. Most popular seating plan out there in really all of the pontoons right now, this SL flip-flop backrest. Very good storage underneath the back. This one was ordered with the full lighting package. So this boat has LED lighting in the speakers, the cup holders, the seat bases, the tower itself, underwater and under rub rail all the way around. So everywhere that you could get it from the factory, this one has it. 5-inch Simrad built into the dash. So chart plotter, GPS, downscan sonar, fish finder, forward-looking nav, also some other controls for you as well. This one does have a 250 horsepower Mercury on it. It is a digital throttle with power-assisted hydraulic steering, and also has a Mercury active trim. So that system is going to do the trim for you automatically while you're underway. So keep the trim down till you get up on plane. Trim you up while you're on plane and running for better fuel economy, better, smoother ride. But as soon as you put the boat into a turn, it'll drop the trim down more log in the water for better, smoother turn. So really, really nice. Nice long bench seating up front, in-floor ski locker, JL Audio subwoofer. This one is also listed and coming with the trailer as well, and full-length bimini top. So this bimini is going to shade from here all the way almost to the very end of the back seat. So really, really good shade coverage on this. So if you got any questions about this or any other boat you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.